Hi Strike customers, it's Lindsay from the Strike sales department here demonstrating one of our new products, the Strike Snap QI or Qi wireless charging cradle. This cradle charges at 10 watts and is Samsung fast charging compatible. We'll be providing two magnetic adhesive pads, one to be designed to go in between the phone case and the phone itself, and the other to go on directly on the back of your phone case if you wish. Here's an example in a clear case of the Strike in-between version there. So once applied, the four magnets here will line up with the four magnets in the Strike Snap, like so, and that is now charging with 10 watts fast charging compatible power. We will be providing two mounting options for this product. There's this vent mount here, which can go on the air conditioning vent of most vehicles, and also a windscreen mount option. We're very excited about this product. It's available now. Please contact your Strike sales rep or jump on www.strike.com.au to purchase.